Now, installing these bushings shouldn't be that difficult. They're just a press-in fit. The problem is it's up underneath the headlight assembly. Never done this before, but let's see what we can do about getting these installed. This is going to stop this headlight from being all sorts of loose and moving all around, because that is definitely not good. It attaches up here, you can't see. On the other side it's just the same thing, might be able to get it a little bit. And like I said, the easiest way I found was just to take a pair of channel locks, something like these, grab a hold of it and just twist it and it should pop it right off. Yeah, that came out real easy now. Something I wasn't really thinking about is as soon as you get this off of here, this headlight's going to want to droop. So you're going to want to have something that's going to hold it up. So I'm going to stick a piece of 2x4 in there for right now. Yeah, that seems to work real good. Just take a pair of pliers and kind of twist it a little bit and it pops right out. And here is the part number. If you want to go, this is actually a genuine Mazda part, NA 01-51-SA5. Alright, well, that is about it, at least for that side. It doesn't pop on, it doesn't clip on, it's just kind of on. Once it goes on there, it's just kind of there, but you'll know it's there because it won't fall off. It will twist, that's what it's made to do, but beyond that, it's not falling off. And now this thing's nice and tight. Get a better shot of that. But this thing's nice and tight, not going anywhere. Not flopping around like it was before, that's for sure. So, no more floppy headlights.